Samsung S85F OLED TV.
Main features are: Samsung S85F OLED TV is Samsung's entry-level OLED model for the 2025-2026 lineup, positioned below the S90F and S95F. Display technology uses OLED with QD OLED panels, typically in 55-inch and 65-inch North American models, and OLED panels for larger sizes or international markets. Picture processing powered by the NQ4AI Gen 2 processor, which uses 20 AI neural networks for upscaling and image optimization. Motion and gaming features a 120 Hz native refresh rate with HDMI 2.1 bandwidth on all 4 ports. It supports variable refresh rate, VRR, FreeSync Premium, and Auto Low Latency Mode, ALLM. Color accuracy, Pantone validated for realistic color and skin tone reproduction. Smart features, runs on the latest Tizen OS 2025 version, offering 7 years of OS upgrades, built-in smart home hub capabilities, Matter thread support, and voice assistant integration. Strengths: exceptional for dark room viewing due to perfect black levels and zero blooming. It offers very wide viewing angles and near instantaneous response times, making it excellent for sports and competitive gaming.